We are back at it. Fanhome, Build the Enterprise-D, Star Trek The Next Generation. Next box. This will be book 24. Let's knock out the first pack in this vid. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Posting up your comments down below. If you are first, put that in there. In the comments below, take credit for your achievement. So let's see, 90. Alright, 91, 92, 93, 94. Okay. So let me set these other three aside. This one should be fairly easy to knock out, it looks like. Cut this package. Oh, almost cut through that part. With my Wahoo Killer. Alright, let me spill out these parts. Be careful not to lose anything. Get my all-important card so we know we are working with pack 91. Okay. This part looks like we're going to set it to the side for the next pack. Always love it when they do that. We do have a deck panel here. And vacuum form this little plastic around it pretty good. And it is die-cast or metal of some sort. L109. Let's come on down a little bit closer. A little closer, a little closer. Hopefully everyone's having a great day when you see this. Heading into the new year. I'll try to knock all these out as rapidly as possible. Provide you build videos at 5 o'clock p.m. Mountain Time every day. That's the goal. Promises, promises. Okay, first up, we're going to take this panel, flip it over like that, and we're going to roll out a couple of life boats. Actually, we need all three of them. So that would be a few. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about. Instead of individual windows, make us a panel of the windows. That is how it should be for the entire freaking build. Fanhome. I know Eaglemoss created this, but dadgum, improve the kit moving forward. Make it easier on people. Make it less light leaks. Okay, we're going to put all these lifeboats. The red line goes toward the wide rim of the panel, like so. We have a couple of these little black back plates here. Alright, this bigger one that says L. Keep that L facing up, and that one is going to go. Let me orient this like this. That's going to go like so. We're going to use some AM screws. And the M in the AM stands for metal. Someone's blowing up my phone over there, but we'll leave them on red for right now. And anytime you're doing the metal screws, we've learned, and I did grab some more at Walmart. 3-in-1 oil, multi-purpose. You can pretty much use any type of oil. Like I was using a little bit of that gun oil, which actually I still have in this tray from the last pack. I'm going to use the rest of that up first, because you want to get your screw and dip the tip in the oil. This is a huge lifesaver. It really helps these thread, because these things are cutting their own threads into this metal, and it really helps it. It's surprising. When I did my DeLorean build, which was also from Eaglemoss originally, and I completed it with them barely before they went out of business, I did not do that tip. I did not dip my tip in the oil for any of the metal, any of the screws going in the metal, and I just raw dogged that whole thing, and it was terrible. So definitely do this tip. Save you some, and this stuff is like, this little bottle was like $3 or something like that, and it lasts forever. And you can use it on other things too. And I just spilled out my life boat. I'm gonna put that back in place. Actually, make sure we put it in the right way. Someone tried to escape this video, but I captured you back. Okay, now grab this little small backer. And it has a little L mark there on top. That's gonna go like so, right? Yep, like so. Another AM screw. This is gonna be a quick pack. AM screw. If you were just doing this without trying to film a video, you'd be done already. Dip the tip in the oil. Shout out to Old Army Vet. If you're out there watching, post up so I know you are having a good Christmas and New Year, hopefully. If I miss anyone, sorry. But I do appreciate anyone that comments regularly on the vids. At this point, I'm basically just in a documentation mode that I did this build myself. Kind of like you reach a stage with these things, it takes over your channel. I'm not World of Wayne or something like that, so something like this definitely more fun if you're not trying to film it. But I do enjoy hanging out with everybody. This panel that I was just raving about, love it, love it, love it. It's gonna go in, let's see, so we got 3 and a gap and 2, so it can only go in one way here. That's the way all those window panels should be, all of them, 100%. No individuals that you got to fiddle around with. All right, now get this light reflector panel, and it's gonna go, got the BL, so keep that up. It's gonna go like so. There's a little notch right there that it rests into. That's going to be AM screw. Load up my screwdriver. This screwdriver has been a lifesaver on this build. In my, I'm going to dip the tip so I don't get distracted. Didn't scourge. Dip the tip. When I was doing my DeLorean build, and I'm glad I finished that one. Honestly, I like that one. Is that thing all the way in? Yeah. So make sure I didn't over tighten that sucker. Man, it was really keeping it moving there. But we're tight. They send you little screwdrivers. I think they sent me a screwdriver with this one to begin with. I don't remember. But then they don't send you replacements, and those things strip out. But this little screwdriver here, and it comes with little bits like this, so you can switch out the sizes real easy, and it wasn't very expensive. I got mine at Lowe's. You can also get them on, so I tried other types of screwdrivers and they just stripped out, but this one's been really successful, and it has this, so you can put the pressure, you can still spin. I'll post up a link if I remember in the comments if you're looking for this type of screwdriver. It is great. Okay, phaser array. I think it was like $12 or something like that. I could be wrong. Maybe it's a little bit more, but depending on when you buy it, pretty inexpensive for a life-saving hobby screwdriver that works for other things too. DP screws. These are going into plastic, so no, just raw dog these. They do have a coarser thread. So you just raw dog those in, because you don't want to. You don't need that oil, that lube in the plastic. Snug them down, don't over tighten, because you can over tighten these real easy. So you just snug and stop. Double check it is in place. Look at that. And guess what? We're done. That's it for this one. 91 is complete. Saving this for the next pack. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Boom.